Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam and in this PTC Creo Parametric series. Today in this video, we will be talking about lattice that we generally see here. And I would say when we talk about lattice, the only thing that comes in our mind is prototyping and additive manufacturing. And that's true actually, because if we think about having lattice through machining, or even let's say in case of non-metallic part, for example, through injection molding, that would be pretty challenging. However, still there are certain lattice, for example, rectangular array that can be created. And at the same time, we may ask, why actually we require to create lattice? Well, lattice structure is utilized to reduce weight while maintaining strength. So I would say you may also require to do some kind of load test or simulation before applying lattice to any particular part. So let me actually go back to my assembly drawing. So this is the machine, and I was thinking of reducing some of its weight because probably I'm gonna make it through 3D printing, and by doing that it eventually going to consume less amount of weight. And I can also see the utilization of this area, which kind of give me an estimate. Probably we may actually fill this area using lattice instead of solid fill. So what I'm gonna do here is let's go here in model and engineering. Now from here I'm gonna select lattice, and let's select this area where we would like to add lattice. And what we can do here is press Ctrl button and select the whole area to bound this internal volume. And here, since this would be the A cross section B or bounded volume, now we can able to add lattice here. Okay, and we can also see the preview of by default lattice. And to increase or decrease size, the best way I would say is just to change the cell scale. Let's make it 0.2, and there we go. Based on that, you will see the size of all these dimensions will change proportionately. However, if let's say you would like to further tweak or customize it, here we can go to cell fill, and then here we can further tweak it. Okay, but for the time being, let's keep it as it is. And now I'm gonna click OK, and there we go. We should able to see this lattice being created. And honestly, if somebody is using, let's say, Cura software for 3D printing, you can also get this option while printing. And that time, sometime it is even better to add it. So that's why, although this feature is available here, it's not that popular. But still, you can have it. And then by actually adding lattice here, somebody would like to do some kind of testing. That would be even easier because we can perform simulation directly here. Okay, so this time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change my lattice type or cell type to, let's say, this hexagonal. And again, not only we have got the following lattice type, but if you click here, we can also choose 2.5D, and this one look even better. Now I'm gonna again reduce the scale size to 0.2 in this particular scenario, and then you will see many more options. So cell fill we just saw, then we also have got this body option that can create a separate body. But I believe it looks good. Let me click OK again, and this time we're gonna see the different type of lattice, and there we go. So here we can see honeycomb like pattern, and on the other side the typical by default lattice from PTC Creo Parametric. And this one is 2.5D as we have seen, and this one is a proper 3D lattice. If we talk about some of real world application of lattice, as we know already, in case of 3D printing, you can say material, but that's not only thing we can achieve using having lattice. You can make a lightweight component which can be very useful in case of aerospace to improve fuel efficiency. Also, sometimes we use lattice in case of custom implant with optimized porosity for bone integration. It can be also useful in creation of crumple zones, especially you might have seen in case of Formula 1 car, where the lattice is being added in between two layers so that it can absorb shock. So these are some of real world application of lattice. And I believe you now know the prerequisite of creation of lattice, and further tweak and customize it. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete PTC Creo Parametric series and other related engineering topics. And I'm gonna catch you soon with another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.